Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Loretta Elong. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. So in today's video, I want to do my hair. I normally do my hair at home, and today I just want to show you guys how I do my pixie cut. If I'm not wearing a wig, then I'm in my own hair. And yeah, to start off, I'm going to use a hair relaxer. This hair relaxer, as you can see, I've really used this so much. And what's the name? ABC or something like that. Yeah, I'm just going to relax my hair. And to do this, I'll do it like it's normally done at the hair salon. Okay, I'm going to pat my hair, and yeah, I'll do this into half, I guess, because I have a pixie cut. Okay, my hair is not that long, so I don't really need so much. I'm just going to pat my hair and relax it. Yeah, okay, I think I need this part out as well. Okay, so I guess I'll just start from here, this side, and I'll work my way through. So I'm just going to use my hand. I don't have a problem with that. I use my hand to relax the hair. Rongo. I've been doing this a lot. I just hope I don't burn myself because I'm recording. I might have divided attention and I'll end up burning myself, but that's a burn, like have a cut or something like that. How did I say like it like that? I'm just going to go ahead and do this side before I get to the back, because the back is short. So I feel I don't want to go there now. I'll just work my way through the front and the sides and the middle parts, and then I'll go to the back later. At this point, my arm is just like, I can't. My arms are giving up on me, okay? Let's just continue and see. Dun dun dun. You know that song, right? I know you don't. If you know, you know. Okay, I think I'm good to go. Or am I? Whoa, focus on my ear. I just hope it doesn't start burning me. Okay. see you guys. I'm just chilling. Okay. So what I'm doing is just like me trying to get the hair relaxer all the way, like everywhere in my hair, and yeah, I think it's good enough. Alright, so I just finished putting the hair relaxer in my hair. My fingers, my hands are all like covered up, and I feel it's enough in my hair. I just need to wait for some few minutes, like not so long, few minutes, and I'll go wash this off, use my shampoo, conditioner, and I'll come back and style this hair for you to see, if you know what I mean. Why am I here making all these funny sounds? Okay, I'm just ouch, just burning. Ah, shit. So guys, I think it's at that point now. So guys, I just finished washing my hair and I'm back. Everything looks cool. Cause edges edges are slayed. Okay, laid or slayed, which one is it? I don't know, but I just finished, and I'm just going to I shampooed my hair, I conditioned it. My leave-in conditioner is finished, so I'm just going to use shea butter, raw shea butter, by the way. Yeah, I use this much in my hair. So I'm just going to rub it in my hair all around. So the reason I use shea butter is because I feel it helps to lock in moisture in my hair. Like, there are other hair products do, but shea butter works for me very well because my hair tends to dry out a lot. You know, when I sleep, when I wake up, that's just what my hair does. Like, I wake up with dry hair. Even though I scarf it, I don't sleep well. I'm the kind of person who would sleep all over. Okay, like I sleep and I'm all over the bed. So when I scarf my hair, I wake up and I look like something else. So shea butter really works for me. I'm just going to blow dry it and then style my hair right now at this point. Let's just get into it. Okay, I want to turn off the camera now when I'm blow drying because I don't want to make noise to anyone see. Better still, I'll just keep doing it. I don't know yet, but I'm just loving this process. I think my hair is dry enough now. I'm waiting for my straightener to get hot and then I'll get into styling this bush on my head. Okay, will style it very soon because it needs to be styled. It's already dried out now, fully dried I believe. So I'm going to start off with this side and I'll just straighten it like bit by bit. Okay. The back looks really bad, okay, but let me just take care of the front for now. I'm just going to use my Eco Style gel. It's almost done. Just going to use a bit of that. My edges. Save them edges. So yeah, this is what I look like. Hold on a second. Let me wear my glasses. Alright. How about this?